Hello friends. Today I just prepared a one Excel sheet to make it automatic distribution of the any quantity. Suppose we take the concrete quantity in a frequency or in a period. Let's start. Just in the project, generally we have a start date and a finish date and a duration. Just if we have a finish date, then days are calculated on based on the start and finish date. And if we have days, then finish date already also can be calculated. And generally, we start date maybe it generally any will be the next day. If you plan today, that quantity will be tomorrow or any day. What we can put it here. So let's start. This how this graph works. Okay, this is the start date, and this is the finish date, and this is the duration. Just we put the duration, suppose 120 days, and this is the now curve. And if we make it weekly, and this is a weekly distribution, and the months, and also distribute as for the per week. And if we make it daily, we can do it daily. This graph is long, graph is very long, uh, very long. Okay, uh, we can let's see it for a short period because it's very long. So now what we need is take it quarterly or monthly or yearly. Suppose yearly we take 360, take it just 500 days, then it will move. December 25, December 26, December. Okay, this month's changed. Now take it the duration. Suppose 365 days, 350 days. Okay, and we make it monthly. I'll again change the quantity also changed. If we change this quantity to 300, 3500, then also quantity changed till the duration till the November. Okay, if we just change this date to January 25, then month will be changed also. So according to this, we can plan our work. Suppose this is 150 days, and we make it daily, or if we have small days, suppose 30 days work, and if we have small quantity 150, then we can see the distribution very less. uh, so according to this data, we can easily plan our work, how the monthly and daily quantities gonna be happen. Okay, and we can put this start date, finish date, no need. Generally if we the days are here, because this is independent, nothing is, we can put it manually, start date or finish date, and the duration can be considered anywhere. Suppose again we some try 4500 days quantity, and it's long, days is 30, we make it for 50 days, and very we make it just quarterly. Yeah, it's now fine, looking nice. Monthly, weekly, it's also. So how you feel this is good format, or if you have any comment, you can message me. Okay, thanks.